Who wins? Capuccino Assasino versus Ballerina Capuccina. I think Ballerina Capuccina is going to win. If you think the Ballerina Capuccina will also win, comment Ballerina Capuccina. However, if you want the Capuccino Assasino to win, comment Capuccino Assasino. Wow, the Capuccino Assasino surpassed the Ballerina Capuccina, but I still trust Ballerina Capuccina. Come on, Ballerina, come on! If you don't want to have 7 years of bad luck, comment Ballerina Capuccina. I think that Ballerina Capuccina is going to win, but the Capuccino Assasino still manages to reach her. Go, Ballerina, go! No! The Capuccino Assasino is reaching the Ballerina Capuccina! Go, Ballerina, go!